This channel here earns $2,748 with 107 subscribers. This one earns $1,575 with 56 subscribers only. But if you are yet to make your first dollar on YouTube and waiting for monetization, then keep watching this video. Attention all aspiring YouTubers, are you eager to turn your passion into profit and start making money on YouTube even before you qualify for monetization? Well, get ready to unlock the secret that can fast track your earnings and explode your channel success. In this video, I am going to reveal some simple and common methods that can help you to start earning money before you qualify for the monetization. But before we dive into these techniques, please click the like button and let me share a short story to ensure you don't repeat the same mistakes I made when I first started. I made my first YouTube channel 8 years ago and I was really hopeful that I could become a millionaire through it. I mean, who hasn't experienced that same excitement when you are just browsing and suddenly come across something incredible like this?
This channel has made $169,000.
Revenue, look at this is where it gets crazy. We got, drumroll, $5.4 million.
Is $1,164,236.
$1 million in revenue just through YouTube ads alone.
Now, this transparency is fantastic, but I did some incredibly high expectation for me, particularly for the near future. I got extremely excited, had a fantastic plan in my mind and was all set to go and see instant results. But I made a mistake. Every time I watched those videos, I never scrolled all the way down to the bottom to see how their journey began. In my last few channels, I started running after views, hoping to meet the criteria for monetization because my main objective was always to gather as many views as I could. This plan was to let the ad revenue handle its job while I could concentrate on creating more videos. It all seemed so flawless until the reality struck when I uploaded my first video. Well, I ended up with just one view here, another view there. Definitely, I failed. It wasn't happening as fast as I expected, not as quickly as I wanted. This really got me down. And as I experienced more and more setbacks, I understood that I have been going after wrong things. I discovered that even small channels have a lot of ways to make money before getting monetized. And some of these methods can be even more powerful than relying on ad revenue alone. But first, I need to stop obsessing over views, instead focus on creating the best quality content possible to build a loyal community around us. Having 100 dedicated subscribers who consistently show up whenever you post a video is far better than having one viral video that attracts 10,000 casual viewers. Even YouTube pays more attention to loyalty by monitoring the number of viewers who came back after watching your first video. This helps them decide whether it's worth promoting the video to a larger audience. If you have a solid community of 100, I mean really solid, then you can easily promote any quality product and have a high conversion rate. Believe it or not, even channels with less than 1000 subscribers can attract sponsors. And if you want to show some support for my hard work, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like this video. Let's come together and build an amazing community. If your video receives a lots of comments or likes compared to the number of views, it means your audience is engaged. And that's something brands find valuable. If no one contacts you, you could take the initiative and reach out to the brands by yourself, through email or even through their Instagram profile. Almost all companies will have their contact information listed on their website. Now wondering how to write a perfect email? Don't worry. You can use Suvo.ai or Suvoai.com to write a professional cold email or follow-up email. Now, when you email them, make sure your subject line gets straight to the point. For instance, promote with SD as the subject line. This will make your email stand out when you reach out to them. Introduce yourself by explaining the reason behind you want to collaborate. A great approach is mentioning that you are already a customer of their product or service, and make sure you actually are. And then highlight what you can offer to the brand. Now remember that there are 3 types of sponsorship you could potentially secure with the brand: sponsor mention, partially integrated and fully integrated sponsorship. Sponsor mention is typically seen on bigger channels, where they express gratitude to a particular company for sponsoring their video. It's usually a quick and straightforward mention, and the content of your video doesn't necessarily have to be connected with the product or the company. However, a partially integrated sponsor requires a specific part in your video where you talk about the product or service that is related to your content. The fully integrated sponsorship means making a whole video dedicated to the product or service. So keep this in mind when discussing the rates and negotiating the price. And it can be a tricky question. If you are unsure about how much to charge, there is a useful website called Social Blue Book that offers a range of estimates, including a low estimate, a high estimate, and an average. But keep this in mind, you should only consider if this suggested price justifies the time and effort you invested in the video. From research to scripting to editing, as well as your reputation because you are associating with the brand. You want to ensure two things. It's worthwhile and there is a contract in place. Next is affiliate marketing. If you are using a product or service that you genuinely love and believe your audience can benefit from it, it's highly likely that those companies have an affiliate program you can join. And then include the affiliate link into your next video. Whenever someone signs up and makes a purchase through your link, you will receive a percentage of that sale. In certain cases, if it's a monthly subscription, you will also earn a portion of that recurring monthly revenue. For example, SpeakTTS and Subo AI offers attractive monthly recurring commissions. Means you can earn as long as the customer renews their subscription, and both of the tools are so valuable. That's great, isn't it? I will also refer a few of the other tools in the description that offers a lifetime commission. The Amazon affiliate program gives you a percentage of any sale made by someone who clicked your link, even if they bought a completely different product. I give it a try with Subo AI. And so far, I got 357 clicks and 27 people signed up. I also used an Amazon associate link for the softbox I am using, and it's getting a similar number of clicks. But I am still waiting for someone to make a purchase. I guess my softbox isn't appealing to the customer. The cool thing about affiliate links that you can set them up once and forget about them. But I know some of you might be wondering, what if the channel is small and hardly get any views? It has around 10 subscribers. Where do I start? And this is where the method 3 comes in. Self-promoting content. This approach begins by creating a special brand. Make sure your content represents who you are and put priority on delivering value to your audience while gradually improving your editing skills. Even if it means releasing just one video per month, people will eagerly await for your next upload if they found your previous one meaningful. As you enhance your editing abilities over the time, you can begin offering editing services and simply pin a comment about it at the top of your next video. Additionally, you can provide a coaching or consulting service aligned with the theme of your content and your knowledge. Even if it's just a few individuals from your supporters, the income from those services can be recurring if they're satisfied with what you offer. When it became too time consuming for you to handle everything on your own, you have two options. You can automate the process by hiring a team, or you can explore method 4 as an alternative. Community building. When you start getting too many requests to handle, it may be a good time to create a Discord server and build an online community. You can use this platform to be accessible and respond to frequently asked questions from many people. You can do this by making daily posts or sharing exclusive content with your supporters. If you consistently provide value to your audience, they will actively seek ways to support you and may need help on how to do so. One effective approach is to create a Patreon page where you can establish various membership levels. By supporting your content on a monthly basis, they gain access to you and the valuable information you offer. It is important to be aware that Patreon takes a commission between 5% and 12% of the income you earn through their platform. When it comes to earnings, the typical monthly income range on Patreon is approximately $315 to $1575. However, it is important to remember that this is just an average. A useful calculator I discovered on influencermarketinghub.com can estimate your potential income based on the common conversion rates. If you input your subscriber count and engagement level, it provides an estimate of what your monthly income could potentially be. easily. If your audience is highly engaged, your potential earning can be even higher. Now just concentrate on creating valuable content. As you can observe, your name and brand play a vital role in generating income as a small channel. When you focus on building community instead of chasing views, you establish a genuine connection and trust with your audience. It's crucial to ensure that whatever you endorse aligns with the best interest of your audience who stand by you and provide you their support. And if you support me, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates about all the latest videos. Now, if you are looking to start a new YouTube channel quickly, creating a motivational and quotes channel is one of the easiest options. These videos don't require a significant amount of time and effort to create, making it an ideal choice to kickstart your channel. So check out this video right here to learn how to start your own quotes channel with the help of AI. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.